Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Marcus Garvey Drive, and this is the section of the road that the government had announced they were going to realign. In other words, the road would go to a new route. To the left of us is the Tinsapen Aerodrome, and to the right of us is the Kingston Wharf, or the Kingston Container Terminal. Those, you can see it over there. Now they're expanding basically the port. So the containers will come all the way over to the Tinsapen Aerodrome, and they're going to move the aerodrome down to the airport. So I want to ask you guys a question. Wouldn't it be better for the government to build a tunnel here? So this road, Marcus Garvey Drive, would go under the tunnel and then come out further down once we've passed the Tinsapen Aerodrome. Now, a tunnel would be so much easier. You wouldn't have to realign the road. You just have to put in the tunnel, and the top level here would be where you have basically the port. So guys, what do you think? They are going to do something similar to that out by the Ian Fleming International Airport. The runway will be at the top, and the road is going to go under the runway through a tunnel. I think this road could easily go underneath the port. Basically, you just use a tunnel, and the technology exists that could basically have the drills. The technology exists to do it quite easily. And then to the left of us is the entrance, the current entrance to the aerodrome. So the tunnel could actually be, this entire section of the road would be under the tunnel basically. From where the video started up to, this is still the Tinsapen Aerodrome. It's a massive property. It's just not being used to its full potential right now. So they're going to move the aerodrome to the port, to the Norman International Airport. On the left, those cars are being stored as part of the port. They're storing the cars over by Tinsapen. They've started to do that already. So somewhere out here now, the tunnel, you would come out of the tunnel and back onto Marcus Garvey Drive. That would be a very long tunnel, but it could be done. Guys, let us know what you think. Do you think they should go that route? Or do you think they should continue with the realigning the road so that you go around the aerodrome instead of under a tunnel? Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But it has to be done. The port has to be extended over into the aerodrome because it's the largest transshipment port in the Caribbean, the Port of Kingston. And it's full. So they need more space because more ships, I think I heard something like 23 ships a day come into the Port of Kingston. I'm not sure if that is accurate. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. It's a very busy port and it needs to expand. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the tunnel. Have a good day.